In this video, we are going to learn how to zoom, pan, and zoom out in CapCut. And to do this, we are going to be making use of keyframing. Now, keyframing simply means an instruction that tells CapCut of a change in parameter of an object at a particular time. This is actually very easy. Just follow the tutorial step by step and you are going to understand it. Now, for example, let's say this is my video and I wanted to zoom in. So I'm going to click on the video. And when you click on it, you have this parameters section on the right side. Always make sure you click on the video, because if you don't click on what you want to actually zoom in, you will not see this parameter. As for now, I don't have it clicked. You see, I cannot see it. So always make sure you click on it. Then you take your playhead to where you want the animation, the zooming animation to start. And then you move on your right. Then you see these parameters. Now on these parameters, you can choose to add keyframe on the scale, the position, and the rotate. But in this video, we're just going to be talking about scale and position because we don't want the video to rotate. So you click, you come, and I'll add a keyframe on scale. You see that blue check mark there, that shows that the keyframe has been added. And then I'll come and add it also on position. Then I'm going to take my playhead at a particular time that I want the animation to zoom in. Then I'm going to scale it. You see, I scale like that. Once I scale, the next keyframe is going to be added. As you see, it has been added. Then what I've just done now, I have just scaled and I have not affected anything on positioning. That's why you see the keyframe on position has not been added. So to position it, I'm just going to hold the screen, then I shift it to the right like that. And once I do that, you see now that the keyframe on position has been added. So we're going to have something like this. You see, now if I want to pan to this right section, some people might think that you will just move your playhead to where you want the animation to be, then you just pan, right? But if you do it like this is a wrong way of doing it. Actually, if you do it like this, let me show you what it's going to be like. The video will just zoom in, then just start panning directly. You see, maybe that is what you actually want. You can do it like this. But in this video, this is not what I actually want to achieve. Now, to be able to do it correctly, you move your playhead to where you want the pan animation to start. Follow closely. You come and you click the last keyframe, you copy it, Control C. You know that you have copied it when you click on it, and then you have that blue color on it. You move your playhead to where you want the panning to start, and then you are going to paste it, Control V. So what we have just done is that we have told CapCut that from this last keyframe to the next keyframe, don't change anything. Just allow everything like that. Don't change anything. Now, from this last keyframe, I want you to actually change something now. So that is where we are going to start doing now the panning. So we move our playheads to where we want the pan animation to end. You see, no keyframe has been added. That's when we are going to come now, and then we'll move our video or our image, anything, to where we want it to be. And when we do that now, we're going to have something like this. The video is going to play, it's going to zoom. Then when it zooms, it's going to stay like that, you see. Then after reaching the second to the last keyframe, that is when now it is actually going to start panning. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm saying. If it is confusing, leave a comment. I'm going to explain better. So that is how you zoom and you pan. Now, another important thing is to notice that if you want it to be faster, you just click the keyframe and then you move it closer and it is going to be fast, you see. If you want it to be slower, you just move the keyframe apart and it is going to be slower. So that is it. Now, after the last keyframe, everything is just going to stay like that. This is because we have not given any instruction that change this position or do like this. We are not giving it any instruction. Now, if you want to actually zoom out, here is what you have to do. You move your playhead to where you want the zoom to start. You come and you copy the last keyframe, you move it to where you want the zoom to start, and you paste Ctrl V. I have explained earlier why you do this. So you have something like that. Now, here's where I want the zoom out to start, like I said. So you just move few frames in front, then you just come out to your scale value, then you just bring it back to 100. You see, and it will be added. Now, I'm going to show you a trick here. To avoid doing this manually, what you can do is, let me just undo what I have done. After copying the last keyframe, come to the first keyframe, because you see on the first keyframe, it was at the normal position. Everything was 0, 0 here. You see, you just come to this first keyframe, you click on it, you copy the first keyframe, then you take it to where you want the zoom out to be, and automatically it's going to zoom out like that. This is because you have just copied the parameters from the first keyframe to the last keyframe, which has to be the same in this case. So you're going to have something now like this. It's going to zoom, it pans, it zooms out. Now you can take this to the next level if you add sound effects. So make sure you download your free sound effect pack, link in the description. You see, and you have something like this. Sound effect actually makes it comes to life. Now this video is just to show you the practical way of using keyframing when doing animations. But if you want to actually understand keyframe in depth, then check out this next video. Like the video, subscribe for more tutorials.